Hello, Assalaam Alaikum. It's me, Sabeena, with week 6 of the 6 items challenge 2024 and labour behind the label. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my friends and family who have supported me in the 6 items challenge every single year since 2012. I'd also like to thank the Labour Behind the Label team for supporting me and acknowledging my work, and all the 6 items challenge participants who have participated in the challenge over the years. I look forward to participating in my 13th year, health permitting, which will be in 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording new videos for you next year. Take care. Bye for now. Alaikum, Assalam. Peace and blessings.